Hello everyone. Today we are going to start class 11th chapter oxidation reduction part 1. This oxidation reduction is very important in inorganic chemistry. A reaction is incomplete without oxidation and reduction. We will study what is the process and what is the mechanism regarding this. First, we should be aware what is the exact definition of oxidation and what is the reduction. Oxidation reduction reactions are also called redox reactions in short form. All redox reactions involve the transfer of electron from one atom to another. Spontaneous redox reactions are generally exothermic and we can use their released energy as a source of energy for other applications. See, in simple language, we can say this type of reaction is called the redox reaction, and these are the simultaneous activities which happen in a reaction. Wherever oxidation is occurring, simultaneously reduction also occurs. But in the case, what happen? One atom will donate the electron in a reaction. So simultaneously another atom will accept the electron. So we can analyze reduction and oxidation happen together. We will study later in detail. We have different type of definitions. What we are used to accept earlier, what is our classical theory, what is a modern theory, like this. See, whenever some oxidation occur, all of a sudden the reaction occur, that is the exothermic, mean energy will release. Now, development of oxidation reduction reaction concept. All concepts are there. First, reaction of reduction oxidation based on releasing, losing and gaining of oxygen. See, by the name we can make out oxidation. What is the meaning of oxidation? Addition of oxygen. In which reaction there is an addition of oxygen that is called the oxidation. Example, like any oxidation of reaction, like when methane is reacting with oxygen, it will giving carbon dioxide and water. When phosphorus is reacting with oxygen, giving the phosphorus pentoxide. Oxidation reaction is a reaction of gaining or capturing of oxygen by a substance. Now, what is the reduction? Reduction is just opposite of this, means releasing of oxygen, mean donating of oxygen is the reduction. Like cuprous oxide reacting with hydrogen giving the cuprous and water molecule. Ferrous oxide reacting with carbon monoxide giving the ferrous ion and carbon monoxide. What do you mean by the oxidation and reduction? Now, how we can explain it. Oxidation can be defined as the addition of oxygen, electronegative element to a substance, or a removal of hydrogen, electropositive element from a substance. In a simple language, we can say addition of oxygen or removal of donation of electron is called the oxidation. जब किसी मॉलिक्यूल या एटम से ऑक्सीजन जुड़ती है तब ऑक्सीडेशन होता है, या किसी एटम आयन या मॉलिक्यूल से इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट किए जाते हैं तब उसमें ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. What is the reduction? Reduction is just opposite to this. जब किसी में से ऑक्सीजन जुड़े निकलेगी या इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन होंगे तब उसमें रिडक्शन होता है. Reduction can be defined as removal of oxygen, electronegative element from a substance, or the addition of hydrogen, electropositive element to a substance. It's the reduction. Now, what is the oxidation and reduction in another definition? In order to convert a free element into an ion, the atom must gain or lose electron. Of course, if one atom loses electron, another must accept them. Reaction where electrons are transferred from one atom to another are redox reactions. Atoms that lose electron are being oxidized. Atoms that gain electron are being reduced. In our classical definition, what is the oxidation? Addition of oxygen. But in the modern definition, when an atom is giving the electron, is the oxidation. And what is the reduction? The atom which is accepting the electron is the reduction. Whenever any ionic reaction is occurring, there simultaneously one atom will donate the electron and one will accept the electron. So one atom is oxidizing and second is reducing. Now is the point, what is the oxidizing agent and what is the reducing agent? Agent, what is the meaning of agent? Agent mean broker. जो उस चीज़ का इंटरमीडिएट है उस काम को करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एजेंट. द एटम हु इज doing the oxidation means that is a reducing agent. It's behaving as an agent to the another atom who is reducing. So this reaction occurs simultaneously. Oxidizing agent is a reagent which increase the oxidation number of an element of a given substance. These reagents are called oxidants. Reducing agent, a reagent that lowers the oxidation number of a given element. These reagents are called the reduction. अगर किसी का oxidation number 2 से 3 हो जाता है तो that means oxidation हो रहा है. और जिसकी वजह से हो रहा है वो उसका ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है. What is the oxidation reduction? Oxidation and reduction must occur simultaneously. If an atom loses electron, another atom must take them. The reactant that reduces an element in another reactant is called the reducing agent. The reducing agent contains the element that is oxidized. The reactant that oxidizes an element in another reactant is called the oxidizing agent. जिसका oxidation होता है वो reducing agent है, जिसका reduction होता है वो oxidizing agent है. दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ होते हैं, simultaneous होती है reaction और एक दूसरे के ये component है. Like we can give the example, sodium metal is there, then whenever sodium atom is reacting with the chlorine gas, it will give the sodium chloride. सोडियम इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग और इट्स अ फ्रीज स्टेज. फ्रीज स्टेज से जब इसने इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर दिया तो ये ऑक्सीडाइज हो गया. क्लोरीन गैस ने इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट कर लिया तो इसका रिडक्शन हो गया. इन दिस केस सोडियम इज द रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट एंड क्लोरीन इज द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. नाउ ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन, अ बेटर डेफिनेशन. व्हाट इज द मॉडर्न डेफिनेशन? Oxidation occurs when an atom's oxidation state increases during a reaction. Oxidation state, अभी हम इसका निकालना सीखेंगे कैसे निकालते हैं oxidation state. अगर इसकी oxidation state +1 से +2 हो रही है मीन्स उसका oxidation हो रहा है. What is the reduction? Reduction occurs when an atom's oxidation state decreases during a reaction. अगर किसी की oxidation state 3 से 2 आ रही है या 2 से 1 आ रही है, that is the reduction. In the example, when methane is reacting with the oxygen gas, it's giving the carbon dioxide and water. इसमें कार्बन की ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेज तो -4 से +4 होती है, मीन्स इसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है. और हाइड्रोजन की +1 से -2 होती है. ऑक्सीजन की 0 से -2 होती है, मीन्स इट्स रिडक्शन हैपनिंग. विल अ रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस? कहाँ पर कोई रिएक्शन होती है? रिएक्शंस दैट आर एनर्जेटिकली फेवरेबल आर सेड टू बी स्पॉन्टेनियस. They can happen, but the activation energy may be so large that the rate is very slow. The relative activity of metal can be used to determine if some redox reactions are spontaneous. Now, we will explain on the basis of electron transfer. Place a strip of metallic zinc and aqueous solution of copper nitrate. Zinc in a copper nitrate. For about 1 hour, you may notice that the strip becomes coated with reddish metallic copper and the blue color of the solution disappears. Formation of zinc ion among the products can easily be judged when the blue color of the solution due to cupric has disappeared. If hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through the colorless solution containing zinc ion, appears of white zinc sulfide can be seen on making the solution alkaline with ammonia. The reaction between metallic zinc and the aqueous solution of copper nitrate is like this. Zinc and copper in the ion form. Then we will find zinc will be in the ion form and copper will be free state. In this reaction, zinc has lost electron to form zinc ion and therefore zinc is oxidized. Evidently, now if zinc is oxidized, releasing electron, copper ion is reduced by the gaining electron from zinc. At this stage, we may investigate the state of equilibrium for the reaction represented by equation. For this purpose, let us place a strip of metallic copper in a zinc sulfate solution. No visible reaction is noticed and attempt to detect the presence of cupric ion by passing H2S gas through the solution to produce black color cupric sulfide. Copper sulfide does not succeed. Cupric sulfide has such a low solubility that this is an extremely sensitive test. Cupric cannot be detected, hence the equilibrium for the reaction favor the product over the reactants. This suggested that we might develop a table in which metal and their ions are listed on the basis of their tendency to release electrons, just as we do in the case of acids to indicate the strength of acids. As a matter of fact, we have already made certain comparisons. By comparison, we have come to know that zinc releases electron to copper and copper releases electron to silver, and therefore electron releasing tendency is in the order silver is copper then zinc. This is an electrochemical series on the basis of ease of discharge of increases. What is the reduction oxidation reaction based on electron transfer? Oxidation reaction. Example, oxidation is a reaction of electron releasing, losing of electron from a substance. When sodium is converting to sodium ion, most of the metals are doing this thing. Reduction, when reduction reaction is reaction of electron gaining by a substance, means non-metals are doing like this. Next is the term, what is the Stock notation? How we are representing the Stock notation is the notation used where the oxidation state of the element is represented by the Roman numerals, like ferrous oxide Fe2 in Roman number O. Fe2O3, this is ferric oxide. CuO, copper oxide. Cupric oxide. Cu2O, cuprous oxide. IUPAC nomenclature. What is the IUPAC? Generally, what is the standard? Everything we are representing by the IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. The compound that is formed by the elements have more than one type of oxidation number. It's named differentiated by the Roman number, writing in the bracket in the back of the element name. The Roman number shows the value of oxidation number of that element. The compound that is formed by the element only has one type of oxidation number. The Roman number does not need written. This IUPAC nomenclature applies in both ionic and covalent compounds like CO, carbon monoxide, oxidation number 2. Carbon dioxide, oxidation number 4. P2O3, phosphorus dioxide, oxidation number 3. N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide, oxidation number 5. Cl2O7, chlorine, oxidation number 7. Have a nice day. Good luck.